Embracing the spirit of World Disability Day, the Association of People with Disability, or APD, in Ri-Bhoi district marked the occasion on Friday with a fervent celebration featuring diverse programs. The commemorative event took place at Saw Nidan village with Shanlang Dingdo, the General Secretary of FKJGP North Khasi Hills District Unit, gracing the occasion as the chief guest. The president of APD Ri-Bhoi, Blutisha Nongbet, alongside parents and differently abled individuals from Ri-Bhoi district, were also present to partake in the festivities. The day's celebration in Ri-Bhoi was adorned with various competitions, including dancing and singing competitions, as well as lineup of diverse programs aimed at fostering inclusivity and raising awareness. The weather report. The maximum temperature was